Robot vacuums have transformed the way we maintain our homes, offering convenience and efficiency that traditional vacuums can't match. These autonomous cleaners have evolved significantly, incorporating advanced features such as improved navigation, enhanced suction power, and even the ability to mop floors. As technology advances, robot vacuums are becoming more affordable, making them a practical choice for many households. Whether you're looking for a device that excels in vacuuming, mopping, or both, there's a robot vacuum that fits your needs. In this guide, we'll explore the top robot vacuums currently available. Here are our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra stands out as a premium choice in the robot vacuum market, combining powerful suction with a comprehensive range of features. Priced at $1,800, this model boasts superior vacuuming capabilities and mopping functionality. Its dual rubber roller brushes and 10,000 pascal suction power make it particularly effective on carpets, while its sonic mopping system ensures thorough cleaning on hard floors. The S8 MaxV Ultra excels in obstacle avoidance with its advanced AI and RGB camera, helping it navigate around household clutter with ease. The standout feature is its virtually hands-free operation. It can empty its dustbin, refill its water tank, and even clean and dry its mop pads. For an additional $100, you can opt for the refill and drainage system model, which connects directly to your home's water supply for even more convenience. Though it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, the S8 MaxV Ultra's blend of efficiency and automation makes it an excellent investment for those seeking top-tier functionality. With its comprehensive features, it truly stands out in the crowded market of robot vacuums. The added convenience of advanced automation means less manual intervention, saving you time and effort. This model is ideal for those who want to experience the cutting edge of home cleaning technology. Number 4. Roomba Combo J9 Plus was $1,400, now $800. The Roomba Combo J9 Plus, priced at $800, is a leading contender in the Roomba lineup, offering a blend of advanced features and innovative design. This model is the first Roomba to feature auto-refill and auto-empty capabilities, significantly reducing the need for manual intervention. Its redesigned dock not only serves as a charging station, but also doubles as a convenient storage area for mop pads and dustbins. The J9 Plus includes the Smart Scrub feature, which improves mopping efficiency by making the robot's mop pad move back and forth. Despite its strengths, the J9 Plus mopping functionality feels secondary compared to its vacuuming prowess. The small mop pad requires manual cleaning, and the overall mopping functionality doesn't quite match that of dedicated mopping robots. Nonetheless, the J9 Plus remains a solid choice for those who value Roomba's renowned navigation and obstacle avoidance features, along with the added convenience of a multifunctional dock. Its vacuuming functionality is top-notch, effectively cleaning various floor types with ease. The combination of vacuuming and mopping features, despite some limitations, provides a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This model is particularly useful for those who prefer a trusted brand with a history of reliable products. Number 3. Dreame X40 Ultra was $1,900, now $1,780. The Dreame X40 Ultra, priced at $1,780, is a standout hybrid vacuum and mop robot known for its versatile cleaning capabilities. This model features a unique design that allows it to automatically remove and reattach its mop pads, making it highly effective for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. With an impressive 12,000 pascal suction power and dual oscillating mop pads, the X40 Ultra offers robust functionality in both vacuuming and mopping. Its extendable side brush arm and ability to swing its mops under low furniture set it apart from competitors. The robot also includes AI-powered smart dirt detection, which helps it focus on particularly dirty areas. While its vacuuming functionality is slightly behind that of the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, the X40 Ultra's innovative features and ability to handle a mix of carpeted and hard floors make it an excellent choice for comprehensive home cleaning. The Dreame X40 Ultra is a strong contender for those seeking advanced functionality and versatility in a single device. Additionally, it comes with a larger base station, enhancing its usability and convenience. This model is ideal for those who want the flexibility of a device that can adapt to different cleaning needs. The X40 Ultra provides a comprehensive solution, ensuring your home remains spotless with minimal effort on your part. Its combination of powerful suction and effective mopping capabilities makes it a valuable addition to any household. Number 2. Dreame L20 Ultra. For those seeking a more budget-friendly option, the Dreame L20 Ultra at $1,000 offers many of the advanced features found in higher-end models without the hefty price tag. This robot vacuum includes automatic mop removal and can effectively clean both carpets and hard floors. Although it lacks the extendable side brush and has lower suction power, 7,000 pascals, compared to the X40 Ultra, it still delivers solid functionality. The L20 Ultra comes with a larger base station and maintains a good balance of features and value. It is an excellent choice for those who want the benefits of automated cleaning without the premium price. Despite missing some of the more advanced features found in the X40 Ultra, the L20 Ultra remains a great option for efficient and cost-effective home cleaning. It includes essential features like AI-powered navigation and smart dirt detection, ensuring thorough cleaning. The L20 Ultra's ability to automatically remove and reattach mop pads adds convenience, making it suitable for busy households. This model offers a practical solution for those who want reliable cleaning functionality without breaking the bank. Its balance of cost and functionality makes it a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Number 1. iRobot Roomba J7. The Roomba J7, priced at $300, is an excellent option for those prioritizing vacuuming over mopping and looking for a budget-friendly robot vacuum. This model features iRobot's advanced AI-powered obstacle avoidance system, which helps it navigate around common household items and avoid getting stuck. The J7's dual rubber roller brushes effectively clean both carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile choice for various home environments. Despite its lower price, it offers reliable functionality and comes with the option of a self-empty dock for added convenience. While it doesn't include mopping capabilities, the J7 excels in its primary function as a vacuum, making it a solid choice for those looking for an affordable yet effective cleaning solution. Its robust design and efficient cleaning patterns ensure that your home remains tidy with minimal effort. The Roomba J7 is particularly suited for households with pets or children, where frequent vacuuming is necessary. Its obstacle avoidance feature is a standout, preventing common issues like getting stuck under furniture or tangled in cords. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.